Oh, well, first of all, thank you so much. Thank the AIUM for this opportunity. And I work for the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. And one of the awarded research is a true reflection of our continuing effort in FDA to really tackle on the medical ultrasound output dosimetry research. This research is just an example of how we have been continuing to look at the medical ultrasound output safety and the efficacy for the clinical use. And for example, the reason we are working on this membrane hydrophone project is basically to look at what's the best way still continuing the current medical ultrasound output standard. And for example, a lot of the pressure wave, a lot of new medical ultrasound applications are showing up in the research field, such as the high-intensity ultrasound, contrast agent imaging, and a lot of the output for the machine is different from the traditional machine. So that's why we are continuing to look at the membrane hydrophone. Hopefully that could be a new opportunity for the new research effort. Oh, actually, this is the tradition of this medical ultrasound research lab in FDA has been working on the general medical ultrasound output for almost 2 or 3 decades. But most recently, we started to look at the membrane hydrophone construction and the measurements. One of the reasons is because membrane hydrophone is still the gold standard for the medical ultrasound output pressure measurement. So, but we found out that even though it's a very sort of established method, but actually not many people in the field even know the fundamental mechanism, fundamental structure of this device. So we want to use this project as an opportunity for the entire research community, showing people, oh, this is how it is made, this is how it looks like internally. That way we will promote, we hope that not only the commercial side can manufacture this device, a lot of individual research labs can easily make it themselves. Yes. Oh, probably, I probably had mentioned this earlier in the previous 2 questions, that when we look at the ultrasound output for safety and the imaging efficacy or therapeutic efficacy, the first thing oftentimes we will look at is the output, pressure output. The first thing we will measure oftentimes is using the hydrophone, especially the membrane hydrophone, to measure all the medical ultrasound output field. We characterize the field distribution, we characterize the maximum and the minimum pressure distribution. So this way we will have a general field about the device before we can approve or clear the device for further clinical trial or for clear for the market.